Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming which controller you have because the connection method changes. Bluetooth models pair differently than those using the Xbox wireless adapter. Once done, make sure the controller has power, charge it to at least 50% or install fresh AA batteries so it won't drop mid-setup. Next, power up your Xbox or PC and enable Bluetooth in settings, or plug the wireless adapter into a USB port. Now you're ready to trigger pairing mode and move to the connection step. You'll put the controller into pairing by holding the guide button and the pair button until the LED flashes rapidly. That visual confirms it's discoverable. Then, on your PC or console, select Xbox wireless controller from Bluetooth or press the adapter's sync button to link. Once connected, install drivers or update firmware via Windows Update or the Xbox accessories app so buttons and triggers map correctly. Make sure to test inputs immediately. Joystick dead zones and trigger sensitivity are often adjusted. You finish by calibrating sticks and setting dead zones within the game or operating system so movements feel responsive and precise. This reduces drift and improves aim. If the controller disconnects or behaves oddly, first repair it, replace batteries or plug in USB to rule out wireless issues, and confirm firmware is current. As a key troubleshooting tip, try wired USB mode to isolate wireless problems, and if that works, update adapter drivers or move closer to the receiver to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.